Greetings friends, this is Dakota. Welcome back to Live Rogue. Today I wanted to talk about the CT ROLLNLOCK device. The CT ROLLNBLOCK is a lightweight and incredibly versatile little tool to have in your back pocket while climbing or doing other activities with ropes and rope work. This device can basically replace an ascender, a pulley, and in many cases, prusiks. If we take a closer look at the CT ROLLNLOCK, you'll notice it's got a large eye up here where we can place a carabiner, and it's got a cam-shaped swivel here, a little cam on a pivot, which has teeth, and that's how it grabs the rope. It's also tension, so it automatically pulls back to center if it lets go. Right here you've got a little switch where you can pull this all the way around, and if you look on the back side you can pull this slide out over this knob and it will auto lock out. So what I'd like to show you is we can take this top plate off and swivel it out of the way, and we can place a rope within this area. Then we'll slide this back and we'll clip a locking carabiner onto the device. In this case, if this carabiner were hooked to an anchor, then this acts as a nice pulley. What I can do is unlock the camming device on the bottom, and it will swivel into place where it will lock. What you'll notice is we can pull the rope a single direction, but it becomes a directional pulley and it locks off the other way. This directional movement is what allows this device to be used as, say, a progress capture while ascending and an ascension device. I do want to mention we're not endorsing this device, and we're not sponsored by the company. It's just a small device that we found really handy, and there are several other devices made from other companies that perform similar functions. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you soon.